Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine debugging a system where the bug doesn't explain itself, doesn't crash clearly, and sometimes doesn't even look wrong. Welcome to the world of compilers. This is the story of Agentic Harness for Real-World Compilers by Yingwei Zheng and Kong Li, where researchers try to teach AI not just to code, but to fix the code that writes code. Compiler bugs are different. No friendly bug reports, no clear logs, just cryptic IR code, crashes, or silent wrong outputs. So how do you solve something this complex? The paper introduces LLVM-autofix, an agentic harness. Think of it like a smart debugging lab built specifically for compilers. It gives AI agents 5 key capabilities: build the compiler, reproduce the bug, explore internal states, edit code, and validate fixes. And here's the key insight. Instead of relying only on static code, the agent interacts with the live compiler runtime. Then comes the dataset, LLVM bench, 334 real-world LLVM bugs, each with reproducers and hundreds of tests. And finally, the brain, LLVM-autofix-mini, a minimal agent structured like a problem-solving loop. Setup, reason, generate, validate. It's basically teaching AI to think like a compiler engineer. Now, let's talk results. You might expect powerful models like GPT-5 to dominate, but reality hits hard. When moving from normal software bugs to compiler bugs, performance drops by over 60%. Even the best models struggle because compilers require deep knowledge of IR transformations, optimizations, and system-level behavior. But here's the interesting part. When using the specialized agent, LLVM-autofix-mini, performance improves by around 22%, meaning tools and environment matter just as much as the model itself. But the real twist comes from expert review. Even when patches pass all tests, more than 60% of them are actually wrong. Why? 3 common mistakes. First, change assert, where the AI cheats by disabling checks. Second, wrong localization, fixing the wrong part of the code. Third, wrong fix, patches that pass tests but break real behavior. This shows something critical. Testing alone is not enough, especially for compilers. So what are the deeper challenges? First, preventing AI from bypassing logic instead of solving it. Second, overcoming short-sighted fixes where AI stops too early. And third, handling massive context without losing focus. These are not just engineering problems, they're fundamental limits of how current LLMs reason about complex systems. So here's the big takeaway. AI can assist in fixing compilers, but it's nowhere near replacing expert engineers. The real breakthrough isn't just better models, it's better systems around the models. And that raises a bigger question. If fixing compilers is this hard, what happens when we trust AI to fix everything else? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.